Hi everyone, I'm Ashold and I'm here to show you how to select components in PCB Droid and what you can do with them once they are selected. First, let's place a few components on the board. Now, on the right toolbar you can see the selection icon. Just tap on it and now you're able to select components by tapping on them or by drawing a selection box around them. After you select something, the selection toolbar appears on the top of the screen. From left to right, these are the duplication, save as macro, delete, vertical flip, horizontal flip, group together, ungroup, snap to grid and rotate. Duplicate is pretty self-explanatory. Once you tap it, all the selected items will be duplicated and the newly created ones will be selected automatically, so you can drag them away. Saving as macro saves the whole selection, so later you can insert it. But the macros will be the subject of a different tutorial. Delete removes the selected components from the board. If you delete something accidentally, you can always use the undo button. The vertical and horizontal flip flips the whole selection together instead of flipping just the individual components. Grouping locks the selected components together, handling them as one object. Ungrouping separates the components again, letting you manipulate them individually. Snap to grid helps when your component somehow moved away from the grid points. Rotation rotates the selection around its center clockwise, but if you'd like to rotate it in any other angle, just long tap the rotation icon and select the rotation angle or type in a custom amount. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.